Today we will do few more questions from the topic profit and loss. Question number 70. The selling price of 10 tables is equal to cost price of 8 tables. It is a different question. It is written selling price of 10 tables is the same as cost price of 8 tables. We will start in this way. Let selling price of 1 table equal to rupees X. Therefore, selling price of 10 tables will be equal to 10x. There is no doubt. If price of 1 table is x, then 10 table means 10 into x. Now in the question it is written that selling price of 10 table is equal to CP of 8 tables. That is a given thing. In the question it is written that SP of 10 table is same as CP of 8 tables. Now we will see this second part. Take only the second part and read in the opposite way. CP of 8 table is 10x. That is, so from here we are reading now. In the question it is written SP of 10 is the same as CP of 8. So SP of 10 means 10x, that is same as CP of 8. So read from there, that is CP of 8 tables equal to 10x. If CP of 8 table is 10x, we can find the CP of 1 table. What is the CP of 1 table? 10x upon 8, unitary method, becoming 4 and 5 after cutting, 5x upon 4. So we have SP of 1 and SP of 1 and CP of 1. SP of 1 and CP of 1, which is bigger? CP is bigger, 5x upon 4. That means 5 by 4 means more than 1. So we can say there is a loss. Loss equal to CP minus SP. CP is 5x upon 4 minus SP is SP of 1 x. LCM 4. 5x minus 4 into x, 4x. That is x upon 4. This is loss. Now the question is loss percent. Loss percentage means loss upon CP into 100. Loss is x upon 4 upon CP. What is the CP of 1? CP of 1 is 5x upon 4 into 100. Fraction divided by another fraction, multiply the reciprocal, that is x upon 4 into 4 upon 5x into 100. Cancellation, x cancelled, 4 cancelled, 5 and this 120. So answer is 20%. Remember all these we did with SPO1 and CPO1. Okay. Business of 1 table. Even though they mentioned about a 10 table and 8 table, that part we are not touching because we need with the same number SP of 1 table x, SP of 10 table is a 10x, that is given as CP of 8 table. So CP of 8 table is a 10. So from this second part we are continuing. CP of 8 table is a 10x, so CP of 1 table is 5x by 4. So we got CP of 1 and CP of 1 and SP of 1. So compare these two and with this we are proceeding. CP is bigger, more than 1. 5 by 4 means 1 by 4, more than 1. So this is bigger, CP bigger than 1x. Loss equal to CP minus SP, calculating loss. Now loss percentage, loss upon CP into 100. I hope it is clear. Now we have one question, exactly same type, that is question number 1. Question number 1. First part. This is question number 1, first part. If the cost price of 12 shirt is equal to selling price of 10 shirt, it is written cost price of 12 shirt is equal to selling price of 10 shirt. Let CP of 1 shirt equal to rupees X. So we can say therefore CP of 12 shirts equal to 12x, but in the question it is written that is same as selling price of 10 shirts, SP of 10 shirts. So now we will read this second part. SP of 10 shirt equal to, this is a given thing in the question. Okay, so we will say therefore SP of 10 equal to 12x, that is therefore SP of 1 shirt 12x upon 10 cutting 6x upon 5. So we have CP of 1 and SP of 1. CP of 1 x, SP of 1 6x upon 5. Profit or loss? Surely profit, because it is more, SP is more. So profit equal to SP minus CP. SP is 6x upon 5 minus CP. CP is x, that is 6x minus 5x upon 5 LCM, x upon 5. Profit. Now profit percent means profit upon CP into 100, x upon 5 upon CP is x into 100. It will go down, that is x, 5 is going down, that is 5x into 100. X and x cancelled, 5 and this one 20 equal to 20%. I hope this type of question is clear. Now we will do another type of question, that is question number 10. Question number 10. The difference between two selling prices of a t-shirt with the profits of 4% and 5% respectively is 6 rupees. Difference between two selling price with the profits 4% and 5% means in first case profit is 4%, second case profit is 5%, and the difference in price is rupees 6. First we will start with the CP. Let us CP is equal to rupees x rupees. Difference in percent. Difference in percent. What is the difference in percent? 4% changed to 5%. 5% minus 4%, that is 1% difference. And difference in price, difference in SP. Difference in SP is equal to rupees 6. Now we can write one statement. 1% of x equal to 1% of CP equal to 1% of x equal to rupees 6. 1% of x equal to 6 because 5% and 4%. 4% changed to 5% means 6 rupees difference. So 1% of x equal to 6, that is 1 upon 100 into x equal to 6. Therefore x equal to 6 into 100. 600. X means CP, that is CP is equal to rupees 600. Actually it is a technique. There is a connection like this. Okay. I will show one more question, that is first question number 1, second part. This is also same type, that is fine. Shopkeeper buys two TV sets. Yeah, that only. A shopkeeper buys two TV sets of the same type of TV set. Okay, he sells one of them at a profit of 20% and the other at a loss of 5%. If the difference in selling price is 700 cost price, let CP be rupees X. Now what is the difference in the percentage? Difference in percent. 20% profit and 5% loss. 20% plus 5%, that is 25%. I am not subtracting 20 minus 5 because both are not profit, both are not loss. Suppose it is a profit is becoming 0 and then going to loss of 5%. So 20 plus 5, something like this one, neutral. Okay. Now this is negative, this is positive. So here 20 and here 5. That means total is going to be, suppose from here to here I have to reach and then I have to reach here. That means 20, maybe 20, one thing and another thing, this one. Something like a negative number, positive number, minus 20 and 5. Minus 20 and 5 means the total difference is 25. Because from minus 20 I have to reach to 0, then I have to go to 5. That is concept. But here it was 5% profit, 4% profit. Difference is 1. Because 4% is a thoda or profit banana, isn't it? 5 minus 4. But here it is not 20 minus 5, 15. 20% profit and 5% loss. That means total 25 difference. I hope it is clear. Now difference in SP. Difference in SP is equal to rupees 700. Now we can write the connection. 25% of X equal to CP equal to 700. 25 upon 100 into X equal to 700. X is equal to 700 into 100 divided by 25. 25 cutting is possible, 4. That is CP is equal to rupees 2800. Okay. Another question, another type we can say. Something like we did only, but still different one. By selling 140 hens, Ramesh lost SP of 10 hens. By selling, after doing the business of 140 hens, Ramesh lost SP of 1 hen. So question is about SP. So let us start with SP. Let SP of 1 hen equal to rupees X. Therefore SP of 10 hen, 10x, or 140, SP of 140 hen. SP of 140 hens equal to 140x, no doubt. Cost of 1 is x means 10 means 10x, 140 means 140x. Now it is written while doing this business. Which business? Business of 140 hen. While doing the business of 140 hen, he lost SP of 10 hen. So we can say loss equal to, in the question it is written very clearly, he lost, loss equal to, what is loss? SP of 10 hen. That is already written, SP of 10 hen is 10x. So in this business there is a loss. SP we got, business is not of 1 over 10, business is of 140 hen. So SP of 140 hen, and in that business of 140 hen, loss is 10x. Since we have SP and loss, what we can write? We can write a CP. How to get a CP? CP of 140 hen. CP in that case, when there is a loss, CP is going to be the bigger thing. So SP plus loss, that is 140x plus 10x, that is 150x. So in this case, in this business of 140 hen, loss is a 10x, that means CP of 140 hen is same as SP plus loss. Already we know the formula. If there is a loss, CP will be bigger. CP is equal to SP plus loss. So 140 plus 10, that is 150x. So what we can do now? Question is find the loss percent. Loss percentage simply we can do now. Loss percent equal to loss upon CP into 100. Loss is there. What is loss? Loss is 10x. See, it is written loss equal to 10x. CP already we got. CP of 140 hen is same as 150x into 100. Cancellation. 0 0 cancel. 5 3 times 5 20 times. X also cancelled. 20 by 3. 20 by 3. 6 2 by 3%. 6 2 by 3% is the loss percentage. I hope it is clear.